Senator representing Edo North, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, don tok say the Apex Bank team must get the monetary policies right with clear focus on specific macroeconomic objectives for job creation, price stability, exchange rate and inflation regime. Comrade Oshiomhole tok dis one on Tuesday when Senate dey screen Yemi Cardoso as the new CBN governor and 4 others as deputy governor of the Apex Bank. E con still tok say him kick against autonomy of monetary authorities to fiscal authority without both relating with the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Investment. E still tok say the major challenge na complete submission to market voice and relying on the visible eye of Adam Smith to regulate and determine the value of naira. E con still condemn the market devaluation by former military head of state Ibrahim Babangida regime and say market voices no go ever stabilize the naira. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From TMC studio, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.